The 2018 Range Rover Sport does not have an entire arrangement of crash information. The 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport hasn't been crash-tried by either significant security rating organization. We're not holding our breaths either. Low volume, expensive extravagance autos are seldom tried by the feds or the IIHS. We won't allocate a well-being score. A year ago, the Range Rover Sport added programmed crisis braking to every single trim level, and most will include propelled well-being frameworks, for example, blind side screens, stopping sensors, and LED headlights. An Encompass C camera framework is standard on top trims and discretionary on HSE and SE trim levels. A rear-view camera is standard on all Range Rover Sports. Outward vision is adequate on Range Rover Sports, in spite of the fact that its massive size and heave won't trick numerous individuals into believing that it's a little car. The first and second push seats are fine in any case. In the front, the driver and traveler are dealt with to about indistinguishable lodging as the bigger Range Rover. The sport seats are somewhat more cockpit-like, with a more profound setting, yet it's as yet a tall and directing perspective of the street. The second push housing lean toward two travelers, yet three will fit. The detachable positions are profoundly etched in strong for throughout the day side trips. The second line of seats sports 37 crawls of extra space to move around and enough shoulder space for a couple of center linebackers. With the second line set up, the Range Rover Sport offers 27.7 cubic feet of load room. Collapse down that space inflatables to 62.2 3D shapes. What we likes: preeminent solace, ability on or rough terrain, downplayed in perfect style, new infotainment framework, superlative accessible execution. What we not likes: exceptionally costly, just a single fuel productive powertrain, little third column, needs self-driving tech.